So some of your clients have kissed a few frogs, let's say, before they come and work with you. What's the biggest thing that they have to overcome, or a common thread of issues that they come across that makes them jump ship from their current supplier or partner onto Morpho?
That they didn't turn into a prince. I think there's such a wide spectrum of potential problems that could happen in this business, right? Like I say it a lot. This is a game of millimeters. If you're wrong by this much, well, that might not seem significant, but when you have 10,000 orders that can't put together because of that difference, it's huge, right? So I think my biggest advice is stop blaming other people. The world is a lot less scammers than what people like to pretend it is. Most people are not out there trying to screw you. There are problems and there are red flags that you should be aware of for sure. But what I recommend people to do is look in the mirror, look at what you're doing. Where can you be better? Where can you give better information to your suppliers? How can you be more detailed and more objective about what it is that you actually want? Businesses have 3 modes. The first mode is making mistakes, your own mistakes, right? Your customer gives you something and you make this mistake. The second mode is your customer makes the mistake. And then it's like a he said, she said thing where you're blaming them and they did it wrong and everyone kind of knows, but that's not good for business. The third mode, which is like the God mode of business, is being able to see your customer make a mistake, catch them before they actually make it, and solve the problem before it even becomes one. And that might not be like the most rewarding work, getting things, kind of creating problems when there aren't any, but it's what creates revenue. Solving problems before they become problems is the best way to grow your business. And if people spent more time looking at themselves and realizing where their shortcomings were, I think they'd be a lot further ahead. And maybe they'd still have to kiss some toads, but they'd realize they're kissing a toad a lot sooner than if they'd spend 6 figures. And for me, the money's one thing. I'd rather lose money than time. You spend 12 months kissing a toe, that's time you're never going to get back. And if you do a better job at evaluating yourself and knowing where you truly stand in the equation, you'll waste way less time.